Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. This is Shining Folake Craft Studio. Shining Folake Bead. Yes, there is this general Igbo crown that is common in Nigeria nowadays. You will see our children using it for their end of year party, for their traditional party. So I decided to come on board today to treat that type of crown. So I'll be using this kind of a bead and this so also I'll be using this one to design it. The crown is so common. You will see school children using it for traditional day, for wedding. It's so common. So I will show you as I go on. So what I'm having my rubber punch 1, and I'm having 0.5 for fish line. I'm having my scissors, and this is the 3 type of bead I'll be using for this crown today. So firstly, you have to take a fish line, rubber, very long, because we are going to be doing something like this. So we are going to take a long, we are going to cut like 3 inches or 4 inches. So I've cut one already. This is the remaining one, but for this tutorial, just let me use this one. So you bring the 2 marks together, and you take your bead. You first put 2 inside, 2 will first go down. Then you will now add another 2. You can go through my thumbnail, you will see the video there. It's very common nowadays, and any market you go, you will see it there. It's very common. People are doing it for sale. You can do it at the same time for sale. Since school children, by December, they will be going on holiday. They want to do end of the year party. They will need it, so you can do it for them. You can do it for sale. The last time I went to Lagos, I saw a lot of them. People are now doing it. They pack it on the in their market for sale. So you put 2. You have to go 2, 2. Then you now take this one to interlock. My last video, I went to the market to buy all this. Things were so expensive. So you can check it there. Although the noise could not make me to get most of the price, this is how you are going to do it to the length that you needed. Like I'm doing 70. So you fix into the 2. Then you draw it down. So you continue like this. You continue like this. So after you have gotten to the length of the one that you want, like this one is, I think it's 52. You can make your own 70. This one is for a small girl, though it's stretchy, but I prefer, because this one is for a small girl, it's okay. But if you are doing it for an adult, this one is 52, you can make it 70. Like if I count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you count it round, it's 52. But if you are making it for an adult, you can use you can use 72 or 80, depends on how fuller you want the band to be. So this is it for this one. Then I'll be taking my fish line. I'm using 0.5. It should not be too long. Then you start from here. Let me take this in place because I will still have to knit it. I will tie. You tie very well. Tie very well. I've tied. Then you cut away the excess. This is it. Then you now take 2 of these. This is star bead. We call it star. You take 2. You put in 2. You can put in 3. Depends on the design you want to the design that you want to bring out. But I prefer to use 2. So we take 2 of these. One of this. And pick 3 of this. 2, 3. Then we take 1 of this. And we take 6 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the star bead. I will take one of these. I will now take 3 star bead. I will now take one of the round. I will now take 2 of this. This is it. Don't forget, I told you that this one is 52. After counting it one after the other, 52. So we have to divide it. We are having 52. Supposing it is 56, it should be 66. But it is 52. I think I will have to make it 5556. So I will have to count from here. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will go in between these 5. The 51, I'll go in between that one. I'm going in between. Let's see. Then I will take the mouth of the fish line. I will come in there to the 2.